Hi, welcome to our channel. I am Tess and this is my dog Buddy, and today we're going to review this Cyclone 140 from Portacool. That's why we're holding this thermometer gun. And let's get started. I got this unit from Home Depot and it fit on my 2008 Rogue car, and we did the unboxing on our driveway so we could bring this easily on our patio. This evaporative cooler doesn't require assembly, and this is how it looks out of the box. I like the Classic 16, but they discontinued this unit, so I chose this Cyclone 140, and these are the differences between the two. For the price I paid for this unit, I'm not happy that I don't have other selection for the fan. I only get on and off, and that's all. They added a hose connection for these units, which is nice. I also bought a water treatment for this unit, and you have to use one of these to put inside the unit, which I will show it to you. This is the water level indicator, and this is the control for the water. And so basically, the higher the humidity, the lesser water you should use, and vice versa. We have this clock which has temperature and humidity reader, and let me model it for you. According to weather.com, it's 91 degrees as of this time in Sacramento, and as you can see, this is the temperature reading in our clock and the humidity in our area. And I'm going to use this laser temperature gun to see the temperature of this evaporative cooler. As you can see, there's a 10-degree drop down on the temperature. The fan is loud, but as you can see, my husband falls asleep in the sofa. I'm very happy to be outside at this temperature. So I'm happy for this purchase, and I hope this video really helped you to decide whether this evaporative cooler is the right evaporative cooler for you. And again, thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye!